Okay, figure out this fucking noise, alright? It's from the passenger side front wheel. Listen. This is going straight. I'm going like 2 miles an hour, barely. I could probably skip faster than I'm going right now. So let's give her some gas. Definitely not a good sound. It doesn't seem to be worse when I turn. Okay, I'm just stopped. Turn to the right, turn to the left. Seems to sound worse when I go slow, damn it. Mind you, I'm barely gone 5 miles an hour right now. I'm just in my parking lot. Fucking retarded, like a killed duck or something. I don't know. Lame if you ask me. Anywho, okay. Oh, there's my fancy deck. Woo!